Goldfish. There are fish, the most basic fact. They live in water, they have fins, they use their they use their tails to swim, they eat fish food, they like clean water, they can be orange, some are red or white, they blow they blow bubbles sometimes. They are quite pets. Starfish. They live in the sea. They are animals. They look like stars. They have arms. They can move. They eat small things. They are not fish. They have no brain. They are silky. They live on the ocean floor. Leopard. They are big cats. They have spots. They live in warm places. They can climb trees. They are fast runners. They hunt other animals. They are strong. They are solitary. Life alone. They can roar. They are good at hiding. Malkhor. It's a type of goat. It has big twiny horns. It lives in mountains. It's a wild animal. It's found in Pakistan. It's the national animal. It can climb steep places. It eats plants. It has swings fur. It's a strong animal. They live in groups. Kingfisher. They are birds. They are often brightly colored, often blue and green. They eat fish. They drift into water. They dive into water. They have long pointed beaks. They live near rivers and lakes. They are quite quick flies. Some live in brooms. They are small birds. They are found around the world. Hawk. They are birds. They are birds or of prey. They have shape shape tolerance. They have hawk beaks. They hunt other animals. They have very good sign. They can fly high. They build nests. They are found worldwide. They are strong flies. Rabbit. They are mammals. They have long ears. They have short tails. They like to hop. They eat plants. They can dig rows. They have strong back legs. They can be pets. They are often spy. They have twitch nose. Horse. They are mammals. They have four legs. They are known for running. They eat grass and hoe. They have means and tails. standing up. Sometimes they are very strong. They have big eyes. Butterfly. They are insects. They have wings. Their wings are colorful. They start as caterpillar. They come from coconuts, and they drink nectar from flowers. They have enter. They can fly. They are found everywhere. They are often pretty. Grasshopper. They are insects. They have long legs. They can jump very far. They have wings. They can fly. They eat plants like grass. They make string sound. They are often green and brown. They have antennas. They are found in fields.